We're here at the Rhoades residence, and joining me is Frank Rhoades, who you have a lovely yard. Thank you for inviting us into your backyard. It's a little more contemporary and modern than some of the other ones we've seen. Tell us a little bit about your style.
Well, you know, my style basically was what we did with the architecture of the house and everything. And so then Kerry Blankenship, our landscape guy, he came in and gave him, you know, pretty much said, make it look as part of the house.
That was the inspiration, right? And so
the house was part of the inspiration. And so he put stuff in, and then its old stuff died out. You know, he's replaced it and moved stuff around. So it's always in the changing to something else.
Well, I like the straight lines that I've seen, especially in the front yard and some of the pavers and things like that. Nice, good open area. What's kind of what's your favorite thing about your landscape?
Well, it starts with the 100 and some odd year old oak tree that we have here. And we lost a couple of big branches off of it last Father's Day. And they were covering the patio up there. So that's when we decided I saw an ad for a pergola. So we said, okay, we need shade back in that area. So we put that in, and so that's worked out real well. And it kind of matches everything. So we were lucked out that way. And we just didn't enjoy that all the birds and stuff that come around, and then we've got a fountain here and one in the front, and the birds come and take baths and get drinks and stuff. So we had a pool at our last house, and ended up not using it that much, and it's a lot of maintenance and stuff. So we said we're just going to go with landscaping this time and go with that.
So time to sort of restructure your needs of that landscape,
right?
And so you can really get out here and enjoy it.
Yeah, and I didn't want to damage the tree by putting a pool in. So.
Right. Well, it looks fabulous, and I'm sure you spend many hours up there underneath that pergola.
Well, it just got finished 2 days ago, so I'm in the process of that.
Well, it's fantastic.
Yeah.
Thank you so much for sharing this with us.
All right, you're welcome.
We hope you enjoyed this video as part of our Oklahoma Gardening YouTube channel. You can also find even more videos on the OK Gardening Classics YouTube channel. And join us on social media for great gardening tips, photos, and discussion.